So guys, this is the mountain range. Today we are going to explore and we will do a solo trekking there. As you can see, the weather is very cold and it's fog all around here, and this area belongs to the forest department. So let's move ahead and start our journey. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you leopard here, because this is the place very famous for leopards and tigers. They can usually be seen roaming here and there at this place. So today I am going to take a long trek of the mountain, which is here, and on that particular area there are so much tigers. This is the point from where you can start your trekking, and I have reached here, and now it's my turn to start my trekking, and I'm getting ready for that. As you can see, they are moving on the top of the hill, so let's begin. Start. It's very slippery, as you can see. I think I should bring a stick, because that will provide me grip to reach at the top, but it's okay. Let's start. So guys, I have reached at least half of this trekking location, and as you can see, there is so much only wild trees here, and there are some people above there on the top of the track. So I have to be there because I'm all alone here, as you can see, and I have covered, I think, 20 to 30 meters of height. So let's go up. There is a peacock sitting right there in front of me, as you can see this one. It is sitting very quietly, but I'm not going to disturb her, as it looks very scary, as there are many leopards around here, and you don't know from where they must be looking at you, and you are unaware of these kind of things, that you think that you are only here, but no, someone is always keep an eye out at you. From any part of this forest, a leopard must be looking at you. So let's move towards the top. See how big this is. You can't take a step on this rock easily, so you have to climb by holding it. This is very scary, guys. See from where I have to go now. How it looks from here. It's only trees all around me, and you can see there is a deer, I think, that side, but it's not visible right from here because of these small branches, and some of the location still undiscovered to me. So I'm going to explore all these things. I have gained this much of distance right now, and let's go towards the top. I'm expecting a leopard at the top. Not alone here. There are so many kids right here, because I used to think that I will be alone, but there is nothing like that. So forest to find out the mystery of this place, because it has been half an hour and I could not find anything to show you guys. That's why I'm going inside, and as you can see, this track has been made so that people can walk here, and my breath is getting deeper and deeper and faster because as I am getting elevation. So guys, I have left everyone behind me and I'm going there, so in case I can find anything. Guys, people usually come here and they cook here. They also do camping here, night camping. Let me show you something. So here they have cooked something like whenever someone came here for camping, they must have cooked something. See here also, and that side there is the area where they used to do camping, and there is also a temple here. So I got invitation card to join holy rituals, which is on 1st Jan 2026. So guys, this is man-made a little water tank, or you can say pond, which is used by animals to drink water, especially deer, leopard and tigers. I'm just waiting for a leopard to come so that I can see him. I wish he could come here so that I can just watch him. I can make him my friend. Guys, I have waited for almost half an hour and I could not see anything. So I am deciding to go down, and because it's already, I think it's Sunday, and there are lots of people here, right? They are gathering here and they are playing. Kids are playing. I don't know. They are enjoying. They are partying. That's why. So guys, I have waited for almost 20 to 25 minutes, but I could not capture anything because it's Sunday today and there are lots of people who are playing here. Children are screaming. Because of that, I think the leopard is not coming to this location. I think because of people, because they are also scared of the people, that's why they are not coming. So now I'm changing my plan and I'm going downwards and I'm going to explore some other areas, because it's not possible for me to find any leopard here right now, as you know, because of these kind of peoples. So let's move to other place. So let's go down. I will try to find some other location. Guys, see, this is what I have to get through. I have to jump from here. As you can see, this is at, I think, 4 or 5 feet of height. So I have to jump from here to get down. Okay. See, you can see kids are screaming over there at the starting point from where we have started our trek. I have come to realize that even the animals also like peace. They don't move at the place where there is this much of screams all around there. So let's get down. See guys, this how it looks. I wonder sometimes how the people who lives on mountain used to live there, because it's very difficult for me or people like me who lives in plain areas to come and explore these kind of places. Really hats off to those guys who lives on the mountain areas. I have covered almost 50% of distance and there is that starting point, so I will go there and from that side we will go towards the another portion of this forest or this mountain. So let's come with me and I will try to find the leopard today. If I can, I will. So guys, they are saying that they have spotted the light tiger. I don't think it's tiger, I think it's leopard. So let's go and try to find. So guys, this is what I was been waiting for. This exact same moment for the past, I think, 1 hour, and finally I got to see him. See how he is walking.
और आगे ले, और आगे ले, और आगे ले, और आगे ले, बस रोक ले। came on my video.
अरे खा ले, गाड़ी लग रही है ना।
वो रहा कोने में दिख रहा है, टावर फ्लाज हो रहा है थोड़ा एनवायरनमेंट के साथ। देखो अभी आगे हुआ पेड़ों के पीछे भी।
हाँ, अरे आगे ले लो, आगे सबको दिख जाएगा यार, आगे ले लो।
They all are running away from here because of that one look of leopard, and some of them are running there because they are thinking that he can come here within 10 seconds, so they all have ran away from here. But now I'm going to explore some of the areas here. There is a beautiful temple right here, as you can see, under the tree, under the, I think this is banyan tree, you can say. See how beautiful it looks from here. And there is that haunted house which I told you guys, I think in my previous videos I have already informed about that building. See how beautiful it looks. Ganpati Bappa Moria. And see this majestic tree, it looks so amazing, guys. Its branches, it's very heavy. I think there are 50 or 60 people are gathering there, but now they all left this place. They all came for adventure, but when the adventures arrived, they all left and moved towards their car. Guys, this is the same haunted place which I showed you in my previous blog. See, one more close-up shot from here. Nobody comes here. And this looks very scary, I made blog inside it yesterday and I also got scared sometimes, but now it's all okay as I have seen each and every corner of this room. So going towards my car because I have also roared the roar of the tiger and I am also getting scared, so I am going towards my car. See, nobody is here. Some people's ahead of me, they are also going, so I think I should also join them and I should get out of this place as soon as possible because in few minutes they will close the main gate, so it's better to get out of here. So let's go.